If you're moving to Orange County, California, and you want a community that's centrally located, offers great dining spots walking distance from your home, family-oriented parks, exhilarating hiking and mountain biking trails, and world-class schools, then you're going to want to come on our tour of Quail Hill, where we show you one of the best communities in Irvine. I'm Realtor Grant Lowell, and people just like you reach out to me all the time with questions about living in South Orange County. I'm here to assist you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out, call, text, or email me anytime. I'm here to help you anywhere in South Orange County. And if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you quietly tap the subscribe button and softly tap the bell icon for our latest updates. And leave your questions down below in the comments. Your support means a lot and is very important to the channel because it brings even more exciting content. So let's start our Quail Hill adventure now. Quail Hill is located on the west side of the 405 freeway between the exits of Sand Canyon and Laguna Canyon Road, just north of the El Toro Y where the 5 and the 405 freeways come together. It's got its name from the distinctive rock outcropping hill formations. You can see one in the middle of our screen right now, where quails back in the day liked to gather in the brush. Now, just next to that outcropping, you can see Alderwood Elementary, a 10 out of 10 on the academic index score for the state of California, meaning all the kids are much better than the rest of the state. Lots of green space and a great community center. You can see right next to Alderwood Elementary, there's a pool there, and we're going to actually walk through that area right now. So they have nice paths throughout the community. Here's they have dog stations, so you could clean up your dog's poop. Though it's clear that not everybody uses it. There's some right there, right by the dog poop station. Who knows who the culprit is? Here's the pool. So this is called Knoll Crest Park. And they have a lot of facilities here. Soccer fields, tennis courts, pool, spa, gym. It's all for the Quail Hill community to enjoy. Community members. Swings, nice park here. As you can see, Knoll Crest Park. Here's where the tennis courts are. And then we've got, there's actually a nice, very good school here in Quail Hill. And we're going to take a quick look at the playground. Let's go look at the tennis courts real quick. Now, these are very popular. Usually people are on them at all times. But looks like it's our lucky day because no one's on this one. Double, single action here. Here is the elementary school. 10 out of 10 on the API index score for schools. So you can't really find too many areas that have better schools. And the amazing part is they're public. So if there's actually some kids, I don't know if you can see them way out there. Summer camp though. So this gives you a good idea of Knollcrest Park here in Quail Hill. It's pretty far from the freeway, but you can still hear the freeway just a little bit. It sounds like a river in the background. So it's really amazing, we're walking through Quail Hill, how few homes are on the market. There's like almost nothing. So we're looking right now for 46 Duet, the one condo that's for sale right now in all of Quail Hill. And it's in this building right here. So we're on the ground so you can see what it actually looks like here. But let's take a look at this building. So yeah, you can see all the grounds are maintained by the HOA. They do a pretty nice job. Here's the parking situation behind the front entrances. And I believe that this is 46, this one right here. So, nice 2-car garage. It's got pretty good square footage. And they're asking $1,250,000 for this condo. The prices in Quail Hill have not gone down at all. There's 42, and you access 46 down this little alley right here. So it says 44 till 50. We'll go down this. This is where you get into both sides of the condos. Now here's the sign. So listed by Dara. She totally put the pin for the location of the listing in the wrong spot. So but that's what the front looks like. So right next to your neighbor right here, that's what you get for $1,250,000 in Quail Hill. So prices are not coming down, and it's primarily because the amount of homes for sale very low. Even with the higher interest rates, prices are staying high because there's so few homes for sale. There's a lot fewer buyers looking for homes right now as well. However, the number of buyers is more than the number of sellers. So supply and demand, the prices are staying up. Let's take a look at the street scene. Lots of street parking. Very well kept community. Everything's in really good condition. There's some more parking, very, very common. This floor plan here is the exact floor plan that I have leased on the same street. Like about, mine's 71, we're at 53. Gives you a good idea of the condos, what they cost. Hear your neighbors. A lot of people are home these days, working from home. Just never went back to the office. Let's go take a look at the houses. Much more exciting. So leaving Knollcrest Park, we're going to go up, take a look at some of the homes in the community, some of the nicer homes that are on the higher streets. A lot of them have super nice views. So let's go up there right now. Admire the views and the homes. The creme de la creme of Quail Hill. So we're going to turn right up here, and this just goes right up the hill, and the higher we go, the better the views are. You could see all the way to Newport Coast, You can see all the way to the Tustin Air Station where they have the hangars still up. So we're just cruising along here. It's a nice park. You can see all the open space that they left for the larger homes up here. Not into the view homes yet, but we're continuing up. We're on a street named Pine Needles. We'll just cruise down this street right here. We got a car behind us that really wants to get by, so we'll just kind of come over here, let them go, and admire some of the homes here in Quail Hill. Homes have two-car garages. They're nice though, very nice. And you might be wondering what some of these homes sold for. Now, this one we're heading up on right here, heading towards the end of the cul-de-sac, sold for $3,125,000 and was listed for $2,890,000. So a lot of open space here at the end. Got a lot of construction going on in that house. Looks like they've got all their stuff in the garage. Again, it's trash day here on Quail Hill. Seems like I have a knack. I know when it's trash day, and that's when I take my videos. So you can see how difficult it is to put your trash out. It's always important. Important thing to know. There's the park. Quail Hill is a community that has been very well thought out. We're leaving the community center and we're going up along Pine Needles Drive. The green belt with lots of picnic areas has a nice bike path that goes throughout. But each level of the community is higher, leaving one street with fantastic views, one side of the street on every terrace. And a lot of the neighbors have told me they can see all the way to the fireworks on Disneyland on a clear night. So if you are looking for a home in Quail Hill, don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be glad to help you find something. Just call, text, or email. You can reach me anytime, grant@grantlowell.com or 949-354-4464. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next video tour.